Good morning, students. Today we will study a new topic in a physics in a class 9, that is acceleration. And before explaining the concept of the acceleration, we recapitulate some of the point like distance. As we have already learned, distance is written in a small s. Displacement is written as delta s, like initial velocity. Initial velocity is written by a small u. Final velocity written as v. We also know the SI unit of the distance is meter, and SI unit of the displacement is also meter. The SI unit of the u and v is meter per second. Also, we know that speed is equal to distance by time. Likewise, velocity is equal to displacement by time. So these all we have already learned, but today we will give one recapitulation about these things. So all of you know these things. Now we come to the main points, and that is acceleration. As you know that while it moving with the bike or with any vehicles in a road, you see that the velocity or speed of the vehicles time to time increase or decrease in a given time interval. So that increase and decrease of the speed with the time, that also gives another physical quantity, and that physical quantity is called acceleration. You can define as the rate of change of velocity, or you can say speed, is called acceleration. Acceleration, and it is written as a small a. And when we put this definition into mathematical expression, then we can write a means acceleration, rate of change in velocity means initial velocity minus final velocity by time. You can write u initial velocity is written as u, final velocity is written as v, and t is written by t. So a is equal to uv minus u minus v by t, and you know that it is a velocity. So you can write here is a velocity and here is a time. So SI unit of the SI unit of the acceleration. Acceleration is what? It is meter per second square. So this is the acceleration. As we say that this is the mathematical or definition about that, but you know that sometime a body is moving with the initial velocity u, 30 meter per second, and due to the applying brake on the vehicles, its speed goes down, goes slow, so it final velocity becomes 20 meter per second, and the time is 1 second. Then we can easily calculate a is equal to u minus v by t, and where you see that A is 30 meters, V is 20 meters per second, and T is the 1, so it becomes 10 meter per second squares. So acceleration becomes 10 meter per second square. But this acceleration becomes positive or negative, both. It is acceleration, but the acceleration is also a negative and also a positive. Then when we say that acceleration is positive, it means it is acceleration or it is positive acceleration. It is a positive acceleration. How does it happen? How the vehicles got the positive acceleration? As you know that A is equal to U minus V by T. It means the value of A becomes positive when U is greater than V. Because U is what? Initial velocity, and V is final velocity. So in a vehicles, when the initial velocity is more than the final velocity, then that acceleration is a positive acceleration. It is, but in a second case, that is called negative acceleration. Negative acceleration, and it is also known as retardation. And how does it happen? Then the acceleration becomes negative, or it is known as retardation. When U is less than V, like A is U minus V if by T, if the U is less and V is more, then what happens? Like for example, if U is 20 meter and V is 30 meter per second and time is 1, then what happens? You subtract, then you got minus 10 by 1, yani minus 10 meter per second square. So here you see that the value of minus, and that represent that acceleration is a negative acceleration, and it is called retardation. So this is the all about the acceleration and type of acceleration. But whenever the body moving and body changes frequently their speed, then acceleration must be produced there, and sometimes it becomes positive acceleration and sometimes it becomes negative acceleration. So all of you see the concept of this acceleration, but gradually you go through the books and small numericals are there. You all try to solve this numerical. Thank you.